Hi guys! Hello Malta! My name is Profitso and today I'm gonna react to the Maltese entry for Eurovision Song Contest 2020. So yeah, as all of you know already, for a month, about a month, the Maltese representative is gonna be Destiny Ciocuniere, who won the X Factor edition, the second edition already. And well, she was the winner of Junior Eurovision Song Contest 2015, so it's nice that we have some Junior Eurovision connection with adult Eurovision, with the real Eurovision, with the legit Eurovision Song Contest. But yeah, to sing the song All of My Love, it was kept secret until now, and well, it was released on 9th of March, and the songwriters include Bernarda Brunovic, Borislav Milanov again for the, I don't know, third, fourth time, fifth maybe time, I don't know. If you know the numbers, please let me know. I'm just lost in these numbers. But also Sebastian Arman, Dag Lundberg, Joachim Persson. So yeah, that's the team behind the song, and I'll just jump into the music video, and just see if I like Maltese entry finally, because I don't know, I'm just not that positive about Maltese entry. They just don't meet up to my expectations. I don't know why, but yeah. Let's go. All of My Love by Destiny. If it's Destiny, if I like it, I don't know. Okay, beautiful cliffs. Okay, some spoken language.
Free spirit.
Release the spirit, or what was that? Lighter's note, or what a beautiful,
Live like there's no
beautiful
tomorrow.
animal, beautiful bird. Oh yes, wow, I love this music video. I remember Christabel with her music video. They done such a beautiful music video back then. Oh, I loved it. I hope it's gonna be as awesome as the one from 2018. Okay, it will be artistic, some of gospel vibe, I like it already. It fits to Destiny, so that's a good thing. Let's listen. Oh yes.
Never had the heart to pray, and never thought I'd find a way, but now I do, now I do. Always felt I was no good, always felt misunderstood, but now I don't, now I don't.
Oh yeah.
'Cause your great love is healing me, renewing me through and through. I am free to live, so I give you.
Oh yeah, it's nice. There's a nice rhythm, nice beat to it. I like the lyrics. Every brother, mother, every child. It's huge, it's global, it's universal message. Yes, I love the colors. Red, white. Oh, real queen, yeah. You're amazing, I'm so sweet. Interesting. Okay, build up, yeah. Some clapping. Clapping fits to the build up in here. Yeah, this one. Yes, jump into the water. Let's go submarine version. There's some fire, there's some rain.
wanna live without you. All of my life, like a river running
I'm curious how many days they were waiting for the rain.
on each other.
That's an interesting thing. It's not.
All my love, like a river running wild. Every brother, mother, child. Now we found each other. Don't let me down. All my love, all the love I feel for you. All of my love, all the love I feel for you. Yeah. All my love, all the love I feel for you. All of my love, all the love I feel for you. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So that's the song. I like it. I like it. I'm not a big fan of it, but I really enjoyed it. The thing is, I'm just not a big fan of such type of songs. That's the thing. I mean, it has a nice beat and so on, but it sounds like I've kind of heard it before. I'm not saying it's a copy of something. No. Anyways, I can feel what she's going for here. The title, All of My Love, yeah, it sounds like she's giving all of her love. It's not that to to the family. It's just that we should give all the love to the people we love. Yeah, that's the message, I think. I just feel it. But yeah, anyways, I can see why people like it so much, because it has a, like I've said, global, universal message. The lyrics, they're just the song is nothing complicated. It's just simple in a way that people will understand it easily, and they might get behind it, and Malta might qualify. Yeah, there are chances. Despite being in the Strong's first semi-final. I mean, Destiny, you all know, if you have watched her X Factor or Britain's Got Talent performances, or how she slayed at the Junior Eurovision Song Contest 2015, then you know she can sing live, and there will be no problem with that. The juries will appreciate it, the televoting might appreciate it, I don't know. It's hard to judge, because televoting always surprises us. When we think they will like something, in the end they don't like it. So yeah, that's the thing. But yeah, there's some potential. Maybe not for the win at Eurovision. I don't think that Malta will win the Eurovision Song Contest with this. I mean, there maybe with the right staging there will be. Top 10 finish, who knows. But yeah, we will have to wait until the staging is presented, revealed at the rehearsals at Eurovision. So yeah, congratulations to your Destiny on, well, it's nice to actually have you here as the winner of the Junior Eurovision Song Contest, participating here in Eurovision Song Contest. So yeah, good luck in Rotterdam. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do the thumbs up. If you want to share your opinion about the whole song, whether you like it or not, and its potential at Eurovision, do let us know in the comment section below. What do you think about it? And of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you can be notified about my newest uploads. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links to the accounts are in the description below. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Take care. Bye.